Welcome back to Mochaeatstv. This is a totally different type of video. I think I'm going to try to incorporate some DIYs in this on my channel, and this is what I'm going to be doing today. So anybody that don't know how to do this, you can follow along. This is what I got to replace the one that I already have. Now going to the breaker box to shut off the electricity. Sometimes your breaker boxes are on the outside of your house or in the inside. Okay, so you have to know which breaker switch to turn off. So that should be labeled. Again, if you have your breaker box outside, you need to have a lock on it. So right now I'm just taking the screws off of the outlet plate to go ahead and switch it out. Just like that. And you just now remove it. So you need to take these screws out as well.
Bottom first.
Oh, I have somebody directing me, so thank you. So ladies, make sure that when you're taking out a Phillips head screw, you put pressure against it, because if not, your screwdriver will just continue to spin on top of the head. And you feel like, what am I doing wrong? Okay, so now we're going to take off the top. So if you are removing like we are, you turn the screw counterclockwise. So when we put this back on, we're going to go clockwise, which is this way. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this screw. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this outlet out gently, just like so. Okay, so we have loosened this in order to take out the wire. Now I'm going to loosen this to take out that wire to remove this whole housing. All right, family, we had an issue trying to get this off. I had to go with a larger flathead in order to get these screws off because they were tightened so tight. So anytime you go into a problem like that, just go with a larger flat, even though it's a Phillip, but go with the flat because it'll fit snugger in there, as you can see, just like that. And then you'll be able to use all of your might to get it off like I had to. So probably after this, family, I'm gonna take a nap. My word. So now this was in here like this. You install it the same exact way. Okay, we're going to install the black wire first, which is this wire, and it goes on the side, just like that. Now, I had a question whether these were different. So basically, family, they were constructed different. This is beautification. This is not. Some people don't like the red and the black. For me, I got these in a 3-pack because I'm going to replace more. So where the wire goes is into the slots. So that's what I'm going to do. So on the left side, that's where I'm going to install the black wire. Okay, so I'm going to take the needle nose pliers and just stick it down in there, fam. Just like so. And then I'm going to tighten the screw. So now that I have gotten that wire in, I'm going to just turn it, just like so, to tighten it. And it doesn't take much, family. So the black goes to the left, the white goes to the bottom right, and then the blank, which is bare, goes to the top. All right, fam. So you put the wire in, and I'm not sure why there are grooves there. I think because it only goes so far, and that's the way they made them. But somebody can truly comment below and let me know if that's what it is. So now you just tighten it, just the hair, till it stops. Okay, so now for the top wire, and you just slip it in just like so, and it stops at the outlet top right there. And you just tighten the top just like that, fam. Now I'm going to take these screws out, and I'm going to loosen them so I can mount this back into the hose. So now you just gently push this back in to make it fit back into the housing. You tighten the top one first, just snug enough for it to get into the slots, and then you do the bottom. Now that everything is a little snugger, now I'm going to make sure that everything is tightened before I put the plate back on. Now everything is flush up against the wall and it's fitting. So now we just put the plate back on and tighten. So when you are removing the plates, start at the bottom. When you are reinstalling the plates, start at the top. All right, family, so now everything is back snug, back in place. Now we're going to turn the power back on. We're going to press the test in to make sure that we are working. So in order to get your green light to know that it's working, press your reset button. And now it's ready to go because you got a green light. So with that being said, family, if you like this content, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. And it is working. Now there are lights.